Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 19. Now let us see the question number 20, dear students. By using elementary transformations, find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to 1 to 2 minus 1. We know how to find, dear students. Shortcut also I have told you. Once again I will write here shortcut. You see, dear students, for your understanding purpose I will write A is what? A11, A12, and this is A21, A22. This you have to make it as 1, and this you have to make it as 0, and this you have to make it as 1, and this you have to make it as 0, dear students. So this is as usual regular method we will use in maths, this shortcut. One more method is that is what? By using determinants, dear students. In determinant, how to find A inverse you know. So we have a formula A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, dear students. Clear? So how to find a determinant A now? Determinant A, you see, you have to multiply 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 1. Before multiplying 2 and 2, you have to write minus sign here. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, dear students. Determinant value is how much? Minus 5 I got. So how to write the adjoint of A now? Adjoint of A, how to write means you have to interchange 1 and minus 1. Interchange them, minus 1, 1 I will write, and interchange 1 and minus 1. They are interchanged. So this plus 2 and plus 2 is there, no? So don't interchange them. Change their sign. Sign plus 2 will become minus 2. Here plus 2 will become minus 2. So now, dear students, A inverse, what you will get, you see. Observe very carefully. 1 by minus 5 means minus 1 by 5 only it is. Minus 1 by 5 into minus 1, that is 1 by 5 or not? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 minus 5 or minus 1 by 5 into minus 2, that is 2 by 5. Minus into minus, it will become plus. Clear? So minus into minus again plus. 1 by 5 into 2, 2 by 5. 1 by minus 5 into 1, that is minus 1 by 5, dear students. Clear? So before solving the sum, we know the answer, dear students. I hope it is clear. So then for your understanding purpose, I will write. Afterwards we will verify this. So A inverse is what? 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, dear students. A inverse we got. So I hope you have understood this. So let us continue with the answer. Please, if you want, you can copy. Whatever we have written, no, dear students, this is not required. What here we have written, this is also not required. For our verification purpose, for understanding the sum, we are writing. Now what I will write, no, that is very important for us. You have to write in final exam like this only. So A is what? Given you write A is 1 to 2 minus 1, dear students. Clear? So now see, try to understand here. By using elementary row operation. So that is A is equal to, how we will write? I into A. What is A, dear students? A is 1 2 2 minus 1 is equal to I is how much? 1 0 0 1 into A. Clear? So now I have to, according to shortcut, I have to move now. I have to make this as 1. So here it is 1 or not? Clear? So next, where the shortcut is showing arrow mark, here this I have to make it as what? 0. A21 I have to make it as 0. Here it is what? 2. I have to make this 2 as 0, dear students. So how to make, you know already. This is 2 is there in what? R2 or not? You want to change the R2. Arrow mark before, if you write this row, no? This says you are changing row 2. So row 2 is how much? Row 2 is 2. So what I can multiply for R1? R1 I can multiply by minus 2 into R1. Yes or no? Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. R2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. Which is required for us, dear students. Which is required for us. Yes or no? 0. Clear? Huh? So if it is here 3 means I would have multiplied by minus 3. Clear? If it would have been 5 means I would have multiplied by minus 5. If it would have been minus 2 means I would have multiplied by plus 2. If it is a minus 2, no, I would have multiplied by what? plus 2 dear students. Clear? So now see, we'll write R1 you write as is. R1 is what? 1 2 1 0. Because we are not changing R1. You are changing R2. So R1 you write 1 2 1 0 into A. Clear? So now R2. See R2 is how much? 2. R2 is 2 minus 2. I will write R1 is how much? 1. How much will get? Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0 dear students. I got this as 0. Next, this row is applied for, this operation is applied for each element of a row 2. So R2 is how much? Minus 1. Minus 2 into R1 is how much? 2. So minus 1, minus 2 into 2 is how much? Minus 1, minus 4 you will get. Minus 1, minus 4 is how much? So minus 5. So you got minus 5 here. Clear? So next is what? R2 is how much here? 0 minus 2 into R1 is how much? 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. How much will get? Minus 2 or not? Clear? So then I can write it as minus 2 here. So next R2 is how much? 1. R2 is how much? 1. Minus 2 into R1 is how much? 0. See, 2 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is how much? 1 or not? So I can write it as 1 dear students. This simplification is not required. So I will erase this. So now see, I have to get here by what? I have to get here 1 or not according to the shortcut. What I told in the previous class. I told which number will come here, no? You divide by that number only. Are you understanding my point, what I am saying? So you have to understand here, whichever number comes here, please divide by that number only. Clear? So this is where in R2. So you divide by R2 by what? Minus 2. That means 1 by minus 5 I will say. Are you getting? 1 by minus 5. So R2 by minus 5 also you can say, dividing by minus 5. Is it clear? So now see, R1 is not changing or not? R2 you are changing. So R1 you write as is 1 2 1 0 into A. Clear? 1 by minus 5 into 0, 0. 1 by 5 into C. 1 by minus 5 into R2 is how much? Minus 5. So minus 5 get cancelled, you will get 1, which is required for us. According to the shortcut, I want here 1 only. So now see, 1 by minus 5 into 1 by minus 5 into next into how much? Minus 2 it is. R2 is what? 1 by minus 5 into minus 2 or not? Minus get cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 by 5 will get. Clear? 1 by minus 5 into 1, minus 1 by 5 dear student. Or 1 by minus 5 also you can say. Many of the students will again fight with me. So sir, can I write 1 by minus 5 or minus 1 by 5? Both are same only, don't get confused. So I can erase this. So now see dear students, how to get the answer. I have to get here 0 or not. According to the shortcut 1 I got here, I have to get here 0. This is row 1. You are going to change row 1 now. Row 1 is how much? R1 is 2. Minus 2 into R2 is how much? R2 is 1 or not? See, R1 is 2. 2 you can write. Clear? Minus 2 into. Why I am multiplying minus 2 into R2? Because if I multiply for minus 2 into R2, R2 is how much? 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is how much? 0 or not? This was required for us dear students. Try to understand. So then we can write here. So I can write this one. Now see how much we will get. Which is not changing? Which is not changing dear students? R2 is not changing or not? R2 you write as is 0, 1, 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. So R1 is how much? 1 minus 2 into. R2 is how much? 0. So 2 into 0, 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 dear students. I can write here 1. Clear? So next R1 is how much? 2 minus 2. R2 is how much? 1. This is R2 or don't get confused. R2 this is R2. Clear? So now see. This will give how much? 0 or not? 2 minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. I can write 0, which is required for us. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. If you know the method, you can write directly answer. I had already told you in previous class also. We are knowing the answer directly. You can write simplifying without simplifying. Well, we know that this is the exactly correct answer. That's why I am saying, if you want simplification, I will show you simplification also here. How we will get the simplification, you see. This answer only will come, I guarantee you. So R1 is how much? 1 minus 2 into R2 is how much? 2 by 5. How much will get, you see? Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 by 5. Clear? 5 into 1, 5. 5 minus 4 by 5. How much you will get? 1 by 5 or not? Can you see 1 by 5 is there or not? I told you. So next is what? R1 is how much? 0. Minus 2 into R2 is how much? Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Minus into minus. Plus 0 is neglected. 2 into 1 is 2 by 5. So we will get as what? 2 by 5, dear students. I hope it is clear. So answer you can verify. I had already done by shortcut method. Actually this is not required. Whatever I had written in this box, only I need this answer, and you have to write in board exam this much only. So therefore conclusion you have to make A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, dear student. This is our required answer. Please remember A inverse will write it as A raised to minus 1. Don't write A dash. Here into A also don't write. Here only it will come, upper part. So whatever above I had written, into A will come here, not for A inverse. Got it? So I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding my video, please like and subscribe my channel. So we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.